Welcome everybody to Kramer Mazda. My name is Derrick.
My name is Katie.
Today we actually are taking our vehicles out to test the GVC system. So we took a 2019 with GVC and a 2016 CX-5 without a GVC. So what is GVC, Katie?
G-Vector Control, it helps point the vehicle in the direction the driver wants by controlling engine torque. This technology also makes it so that the driver has to perform fewer steering corrections while going over any imperfections such as potholes or rough road. It's also going to help enhance the stability around corners as well as control the dive of the vehicle in case of emergency stop.
So now we're going to put this footage side by side, see if you can spot the difference. Now I can't tell you, I can feel it in my steering wheel where I have to grip a little bit harder than the 2019 to make sure it kind of goes over all of these bumps smoothly. See what that looks like. Yeah, the water seems like it's leaning a lot more further over, so it definitely has a little bit of difference. Now after this right-hand turn, that's where, ooh, it's jumping all over the place. Ooh, we can visibly see this. It actually does seem like it's actually bouncing around a little bit more, right?
Yeah.
Right-hand turn, a little bit under 60, put a little bit of throttle down. Coming around here, ooh, quite bouncy, quite bouncy. Not leaning too much, but definitely more bouncier.
That's a lot more bouncy.
Yeah. Clearly this was not a planned take, but is it coming out? Let's see. Let's see. Ooh. If you spotted the difference, comment down below A or B.